Dear brothers and sisters, an inclusive society where every person with a disability enjoys equal rights and opportunities is still a dream. Many of our brothers and sisters with disabilities remain excluded socially, economically, politically, educationally, and even religiously. Today's Novena theme, let us bring hope to persons with disabilities through our inclusive attention, is not a call for charity out of pity, but recognition of their inherent rights and dignity. Today's readings call us to envision a truly inclusive world, a creation filled with togetherness, accessibility, and equality. Pope Francis once said on the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, "The Church is truly your home, and this home everyone has their own role because Jesus has joined us together in His friendship." Today, the Church also invites us to pray especially for consecrated women who serve Christ and His kingdom with devotion. Let us pray for the grace to live out this inclusive vision during today's Eucharistic celebration.